Cartagena is located on Colombia's Caribbean coast, and its tropical climate makes it an ideal place for a beach vacation. The city is close to many beautiful islands that can be accessed by boat for a day of island hopping. In this video, we'll share information about the islands we visited, how we got there, and other tips to help you plan your trip.
The best way to get to the islands is to rent a private boat with friends or share with other travelers. We booked our trip to Viator. Alternatively, many of the beach clubs offer pickup and drop-off from Cartagena. Many of the islands off the coast are about 1 hour away from the city. Although there are beaches in Cartagena, the water is much more beautiful and cleaner on the islands, so it's well worth a trip. There are so many islands to choose from, and it can be hard to narrow down to a few. We wanted to try 3 different islands with distinct offerings, and we considered the day pass fees, the noise level, the food and drink options before making our choice. Generally, it's better to start from the islands far off the coast in the morning and make your way back to the closest ones in the afternoon.
Paway Beach Club is about 30 minutes from the city and offers a small beach with gorgeous water. There is a day pass charge to access the beach, including beach chairs or beds and the use of their amenities. There are many beach chairs and daybed options to soak in the Caribbean sun, and the service is really friendly and on point. Since most of the tours leave early around 8 a.m., you can have your breakfast there. Paway is famous for its fantastic crab and egg arepas, which are really delicious. They offer juices, coffee, and alcoholic drinks that can be served by your daybed. The ambiance is really cool with live DJ music without being too much of a party beach.
The second beach we visited, Bendita, is located on Rosario Islands. The island is about a 1 hour ride from Cartagena in the open waters beyond Cartagena's bay. It is recommended to return to the bay by early afternoon because the sea can be really rough. More on that later. Bendita is a small island with white sand beach extending into the Caribbean's pristine waters. It offers many choices for laying at the beach. On the narrow stretch you can find shaded gazebos and chairs, and there are many other day beds and hammocks under the shades of the trees as you go deeper into the small island. It's such a serene and beautiful place, with warm, clear water, exotic birds, and beautiful trees. We could spend hours there. They had a buffet lunch and a bar where you can get drinks. We didn't try the food, but it looked like they had a good variety. As mentioned before, the wind picks up around 3 p.m. and the ride back to the bay was rough and very bumpy, so be warned.
Our last stop was at Phoenix Beach Club on Terra Bomba. Terra Bomba is the closest island to Cartagena, just about 20 minutes from the coast. We recommend visiting Phoenix last since it's close to the city. It's a well-appointed beach club with a bar, restaurant, and plenty of comfortable daybeds and chairs on a beautiful beach with palm trees. You have to pay for a day pass if you stay there for long. As we were just passing by, we only consumed food and drinks at the bar. Since it's close to the city, the water is not as clear as the other islands we visited, but the ambiance was nice. This is a party beach club with loud live DJ music, so if that's not your scene, it may not be the place for you.
We hope our recommendations were helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on Cartagena, including the best bars and restaurants we tried.